Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today I have a natural hair wash day video for you guys, so be sure to watch all the way through so you don't miss out. Okay, so in today's video I'll be using the Pesky Hair shampoo and conditioning system. It's a new product to me. So this is the shampoo, which is great for all hair types and great for moisture. So I'm just pouring it out so that you can see the consistency of the shampoo. And this shampoo smells like peppermint. So first, before I apply anything, I'm just washing my hair with water, just rinsing everything out that's already in my hair with the water before I apply anything in my hair. And so now we can get started with the shampoo. So again, this is the consistency of the shampoo, and my hair is already drenched with water. So now I'm beginning to apply the shampoo to my hair, making sure I get the roots and the ends, and just applying it right now to all of the strands of my hair. Just making sure all the strands are covered. So that was the first side, and now I'm doing the same thing again to the second half of my hair, applying the shampoo to all the parts of my hair, the roots all the way to the ends. And now, as you can see, it's worked up a lather. So I'm just now going through my scalp with the pads of my fingers and giving myself a nice little scalp massage there, but shampooing it into my scalp, getting out the dirt, and it feels so good. I have long nails. These are my real nails, so sometimes I do, like, you know, scratch a little bit of my scalp with the nails, but nothing too much so that my scalp doesn't get irritated. And yeah, I'm just going through the different sections of my hair, and now I'm washing it all out. I always try to do my hair in sections because it just makes everything so much easier. As you can see, I'm rinsing out the shampoo in a downward motion. Everything is going downward in one way, and you see it's in two sides. I did my hair in two halves, and that's the other half that I'm doing. So now I'm going on to the conditioner, and the conditioner has a thick consistency, which I really like, and it doesn't smell like peppermint. It's just a very light smell to this conditioner. So now I'm putting it on my hair, and I'm just making sure that all the strands are covered, trying to go from root to tip. I usually part my hair in sections to make sure I'm applying everything. As you can see, I made my first section there, and I'm just combing it through with a wide tooth comb again to make sure that I distribute the conditioner through all the parts of my hair. When you have natural hair, you know, it's a lot of hair, and you don't want to miss any parts of your hair. So that's why I tend to always just do it in sections, because it helps me make sure that I get the product on all parts of my hair. Sometimes you just put it on the outside and then you don't make any parts, and then it's not getting in the middle. So you need to make the parts and then make sure you distribute that conditioner with a wide tooth comb. As you can see, I'm making that part there, and now I'm using my wide tooth comb to distribute everything. And this also is like a detangling section, so you use the wide tooth comb to detangle through your hair so that you don't have a big mess at the end. And also, I just want to remind you that I am recovering from chlorine damage. I gradually cut off my ends, and yeah, that's why my hair is looking a little bit shorter, but it's growing back really well. So I rinsed out the conditioner off camera, and now I'm applying my deep conditioner. This deep conditioner has a thick consistency, which I love. My hair loves thick products. I have highly porous hair, so anything thick that coats my hair loves it. So yeah, I'm just applying to my edges, doing it in sections as always, smoothing it out, and then going through with that wide tooth comb just to make sure my hair is covered from root to tip. And I'm just smoothing it out right there, as you can see, making sure my hair is covered from root to tip, doing all of the sections. Yeah. So I'm going through it with the comb. As you can see, I started at the ends and worked my way up, and now I'm just putting on my cap. So I deep conditioned and rinsed off camera, so that's my hair, how it's looking after I rinsed out the deep conditioner. It felt really soft, and I really like this system. So far so good. So now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, which is not from this brand. This is actually by Giovanni, one of my tried and true leave-in conditioners. I'm just applying it on my hair in sections. I'm actually going to be blow drying my hair, but I'm not going to be showing that in this video. I'm actually doing a promo for this brand, not for YouTube, but for the brand itself. So I was trying to multitask by doing the promo for the brand and also recording the video for you guys. So yeah, I had to save some camera time, so I did not blow dry my hair on camera, but this is just me applying the leave-in in sections, as you can see, and I'm just twisting it up in sections so that I can blow dry my hair in sections. Once again, I'm not going to do that on camera. So yeah, my hair is already blow dried, as you can see, and I twisted it and used rollers. And yeah, this is, I think this is the next day I went to sleep, yeah, because I had my satin bonnet on. And so now I'm taking out the rollers. So you see, all I did after I blow dried it was twisted my hair, and then I used some satin rollers that I had for years since I started my natural hair journey, and I didn't use them that much. I'm like, okay, I'm going to use them now. I'll definitely do a separate video on that at a later time, but I needed to save camera time so you get the idea of how I got these curls. Just basically twisted my hair and put the satin rollers at the ends. I feel like I should have used maybe bigger rollers. I didn't want so much shrinkage. I did want a little more hang time, but it's okay. The curls came out really nice, and that's me just separating the curls, separating them, and trying to fluff it out to give it a look. That's my edge control that I'm using by Murray's. Just applying some to my edges to give my edges a nice sleek look. So yeah, Murray's edge control is really thick. So for those of you who don't like a thick edge control, maybe this is not the one for you, but it does like kind of like it melts down after a while, so it's not gonna stay on that thick. It just goes on that thick and then it melts like into an oil. But I like it. So far so good. And yeah, that's just me trying to do my baby hair. I'm not a baby hair expert. I'm still learning. I don't know why. I'm just not really too much into the baby hair thing. I tried though. Yeah, so that's me fluffing it out, shaking my hair, fluffing it out, trying to give it some kind of look, because the curls were kind of compacted, so I had to kind of brush it out. Like, not brush it out, fluff it out rather. So that's the oil that I'm using. Now this oil, I thought it was so. I have to be honest, I have my own hair growth oil, so I have not found one that I really love, except for the Jamaican black castor oil. But this oil was okay. It was really lightweight, and like I told you, my hair really likes heavier products. So yeah, that's me applying the oil, like a finishing oil, fluffing my hair out, and the style is basically done, guys. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I love you all.